Alright, now we're going to be removing the center cup holder on a 2008 CL63 W216 model. Alright, so you're going to have to remove those little plastic covers or rubber covers. Okay. And same thing on this side. Now you're going to have two T20 Twerks. Alright, so ours came off with the little coin tray, the ashtray. Usually it would come off by itself, but since we had the CD player off, let me see. Yeah, so since I think we had our CD player off, this came out. Usually it would just slide out, slide apart, but I guess it came out together. So ashtray, cup holder came out together after you removed the two Twerks up there. This is it. Oh, there you go. So if you have the CD player, the command unit, it should hold the ashtray in place. Our command unit was off already, so there was nothing holding it in place, so it came out with it. But yeah, 2-in-1. If you have the head unit and this ashtray does not come out, I think you just have to, once you remove the cup holder, you just have to slide the ashtray kind of towards the back of the car and it should come out.